Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the environment and audio input. Pick a small, quiet room and close doors and windows to cut external noise. This reduces low-frequency rumble and unpredictable sounds. Next, set your laptop on a stable surface to avoid vibration and close heavy apps so fans don't ramp up. Once done, plug in a headset or external mic and select it in System Settings. You want a clean input versus using the laptop's distant microphone. Now you refine mic placement and signal flow. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and angle it about 45 degrees to reduce plosive pops. This keeps breath out of the capsule. Then adjust gain so normal speech peaks around -6 to -12 decibels. Lower gain prevents clipping and limits background hiss. Finally, enable noise reduction in your mic software, or DAW. These tools analyze and subtract steady noise, which helps without smothering your voice when used conservatively. Finish by validating and troubleshooting. Record a short 10 to 20 second test and listen carefully for hums, clicks, and room resonance. This reveals persistent sources. If noise persists, try simple fixes. Add foam panels or blankets, reposition the mic away from vents and laptops, and enable a noise gate to cut low-level hiss. If necessary, apply a high-pass filter at about 60 to 120 Hz, use gentle broadband denoise, and make manual cuts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.